Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to get one hand keyboards on your iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is open your settings part here, and you just need to click it to open it, and now you just need to scrolling down until you found a general, and then you just need to click it, and after that you just need to scrolling down again until you found keyboard. Here you just need to click it, and whenever you're already in a keyboard part, there will be like pop up several options here, and you need to take a look on the second rows. There will be two options: text replacement and one hand keyboard. Now you just need to go into the one hand keyboard, and after that you need you will be have three options. Either you want to turn it off, or you also have an option and where you want to have the one hand keyboard. If you want to have the left, just need to go have the left, but if you want to have the right, go click the right. And then whenever you're done, you just need to go back. And now let's have a test for one hand. So you just need to go into the notes probably. So let's stop. Now you can see now the keyboard that I have is one hand keyboard on the right side. If you want to change it become like double hands keyboard, you just need to go click this like globe icon, and there will be back into the double hand. To make it like one hand, just go click the globe again. So that's the way how to activate the one hand keyboard on your iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel to find more about iPhone tutorial. See you for the next video.